I don't know about tomorrow. I just live from day to day. I don't borrow from its sunshine, for it tries me turn to gray. I don't worry or the future, for I know what Jesus said. And today I'll walk beside Him, for He knows what is ahead. Many things about tomorrow I don't seem to understand, but I know who holds tomorrow, and I know He holds my hand. Every step is getting brighter as the golden stars are climb. Every bird is getting lighter, every cloud is silver line. There's the sun is always shining, there's no tear will dim the eye. At the ending of the rainbow, where the mountain touches the sky, many things about tomorrow I don't seem to understand, but I know He holds tomorrow, and I know who holds my hand. mountains, a trial of storm. Down in the valley, I felt so alone, feeling that Satan would tempt and abuse, but God sends with comfort with His simple truth. Even the valley is higher ground, Satan can touch me, but God's love abides. There's not a place where God's hand can reach down. Even the valley is higher ground. I've soared with eagles and I fall in love, through peaks and through valleys. That's just how life goes. But I found a peace in the midst of despair. When I am discovered